Welcome to my channel. Guess what? It's about swimming! Nothing like an early morning swim to start the day. The mission here is to complete 50 lengths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh shit, lost count. Who said this would be fun? Swimming is a great way to train, but let's face it, it can be incredibly boring. For the techies out there, I'm using the DJI Action 5 Pro camera, which I've been really impressed with. And yes, it is fully waterproof.